Do you want to take control of your finances and build lasting wealth without complicated strategies, risky investments, or hours of research? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most powerful, straightforward financial guides out there, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Let's get started. The Simple Path to Wealth started as a series of letters from J.L. Collins to his daughter, offering her advice on how to manage money and invest wisely. So what makes this book so special? It simplifies the complicated world of finance into simple, actionable, no-nonsense steps anyone can follow. It's not just a book, it's a philosophy for financial independence and living life on your own terms. Let's break down the core principles of the simple path to wealth. 1. Spend less than you earn. It's simple math. Save aggressively and live below your means. 2. Avoid debt like the plague. Debt is the biggest barrier to financial freedom. J.L. Collins suggests paying off high-interest debt as your first priority. 3. Invest in low-cost index funds. The star of the book, Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, also known as VTSAX. By investing in VTSAX, you own a piece of nearly every company in the United States, giving you instant diversification with minimal fees. 4. Stay the course. Markets will go up and down, but the key to wealth building is patience and consistency. As J.L. Collins says, time in the market beats timing the market. Why does this approach work? This approach works because it's simple, cost-effective, and stress-free. Instead of chasing trends or picking individual stocks, you're betting on the overall market, and the market grows over time. History has proven this strategy is a winning strategy. Who is this book for? The Simple Path to Wealth is a great book for anybody in their career, any stage of their career. If you're just starting your financial journey, this book lays a great foundation. If you're in the middle of your career, it's a reminder to simplify and refocus. If you're nearing retirement, it provides clarity and confidence in your financial plan. Ready to start your simple path to wealth? Here's what to do. Save consistently. Automate your savings where possible to make it effortless. Open a brokerage account. J.L. Collins recommends going with Vanguard for its low-cost fees. Start investing in low-cost index funds like VTSAX or an equivalent ETF. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, but about consistency and staying the course. I personally love this book. It strips away all the noise and reminds us that building wealth does not have to be complicated. Instead, it reminds us that you simply make consistent, smart decisions and let time do the rest. If you haven't read The Simple Path to Wealth, I highly recommend picking it up. Look for the link in the description below. If you're already on your wealth building journey, please share your favorite takeaways from the book in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe somewhere on the page. Just find it and push it. And share this video with someone who needs financial clarity. Let's make building wealth simple.